Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Kolima SQ12 Mini 1080p HD camera. So let's look at the packaging. So it's a little bit squeezed, but yeah. So it's a 1080p camera, 155 degree field of view, 30 FPS, 16:9 aspect ratio, 5 volts, and just let's open it up. I mean, the interesting thing about this one is that it's more or less super light. They can fit it on your sub 250 gram quad, and that's the camera. So it's really super small and super light for a full HD camera. A hard time getting it out of there. It's embarrassing. I think it even has an ER light for night flying. There's the micro SD card slot. Sorry. There's the micro SD card slot. There, USB. That's probably mic. And that's a funny connector. So that's the AV out combined with the USB. Interesting. And there's some mounting hardware. Cool. Not even sure. I think this would power it on. Oh, it's actually powering it on. But no card, so that's why it's probably blinking like an arrow. Okay, enough. Say nothing. Let's have a quick look at the manual if there's anything I can read. So this one is English, so let's check it out. So yeah, 3. For the mount. Okay, so not the microphone. Blah blah blah. 1080p, TV out. For the battery, 60 minutes recording time. Yeah, that's the list again. Cool. Okay, so let's get some weight measurements going here. $16.9 grams. So that's without the SD card. But I actually have one here, so let's put that one on there. And we had 17.1 grams. Cool. And let's look at the size. Ran out of battery, so we have to look at the numbers here. So we are at 29 millimeters. And I think it's square, so yeah, it's 29 here. So, and they're actually dense in here, so I'm probably measured it wrong. Let me measure it like this. Yeah, so it's 29, 30. And here it's the same. And without the lens, it's 23. And with the lens, without scratching it, it's 31 millimeters. Okay, interesting. Let's see how the image quality is. Really looking forward to that. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.